Now let's have a look to the free search into RadarOpus. First of all, you have this box into your main toolbar where you can type something to search for, and automatically RadarOpus will search for these terms into your library. Of course, you can also search into the all repertories or Materia Medica and so on. Now, instead of having the 4 boxes for words, remedies, families, and sections, you have only one box where you can type whatever you want. For example, you type desire, and then you have the autocomplete also, but with all terms starting with desire. For example, desire as a word, but also desire as a chapter or as a pathology. Let's take desire as a word and milk. And it search for desire and milk. Let's remove the word milk and type now a remedy, for example, belladonna. And you see that I have belladonna as a word and also as a remedy. So I choose remedy, and you see that now belladonna has been recognized as a remedy. I just type enter, and it search for all desired rubrics with a belladonna. You can see here that mind abusive does not seems to not contain the word desire, but if you go to the note, you see that in the note we have the word desire, and this is why abusive is inside the search result. But of course you can choose here to search into the notes or not into the options. Now yes, you can also change the options of the words. For example, on desire you can right click and this window opens, and this window allows you choosing other words linked to desire. For example, the roots and branches, you see, the synonyms of desire, and the translation to search in another language. So you can search for all synonyms, or you can just choose some synonyms. In a further version, the settings you choose for a word will be saved into the database. And this is the same for the remedies. You right click on the remedy and you have this window to choose the degrees you want to choose for this remedy. Let's do something else. For example, working, and then we type the word stomach, and you see that we have stomach as a word, but also stomach as a chapter, and you see all the ways the stomach chapter are included into some materia medica, for example, stomach and abdomen, stomach affections, stomach and bowels. But we have created a super um, um, group section called all chapters. So if you choose stomach all chapters and you search, it will search for working in all kind of stomach chapters. And let's see the results into the materia medica. You see that we are inside the stomach chapter, and for example in this book, in the Hale, the stomach chapter is stomach and abdomen, and we have found the results because we have chosen all chapters stomach. Another thing you can enter is the families. For example, you can type Serpentes, and then you choose the family Serpentes, and this will limit your search to the rubrics containing at least one snake remedy. In another version, you will be able also to right click onto the family to choose how many remedies of the snakes you want to have, and so on. Now the search results. When you are into the search result, you can just drag and drop the result into your clipboards, and here as well you can take rubrics from the Materia Medica and drag it into your clipboards, and then make an analysis, and you see the results of your analysis. In another version, very soon, you will be able to select more than one rubric into the search result, or all rubrics, and do it also with the keyboards to drag it and to take it into your clipboards.